So we were sent these steel toe sneakers to test out. And at first, I didn't think they were going to work out too well, but my opinion has done a 180. I've been wearing these for a while now, from work to camping to hiking, and they have served me well. They are lightweight, which is really nice. They have lots of grip on the bottom. They're super comfortable, and then they also have the steel toe, which is super nice for when you're working. So you don't have to worry about dropping, let's say, pipe or 2x4s or pieces of wood or just rocks onto your toes, or let's say stubbing your toes. These are just a really, really good all-around sneaker, and just love the extra protection by the steel toe. Another thing that I almost forgot is these sneakers are still super flexible. So again, in the front, from the toe box, has the steel toe, so that's not going to be as flexible, but the rest of the sneaker is super nice.